Susunod na hakbang para panampahin po yung Senado after po mausog yung presentation ng parties?
Actually, mag-uusap-usap din yung first group of impeachment complainants. Meron kaming meeting this afternoon precisely to discuss that. Yung sa press con kanina ni Senate President Cheese, I have not really watched it, although meron naman na nasa feed ko sa news feed kung ano yung more or less mga highlights nung press con, yung mga sinabi ni Senate President Cheese. So he's saying, if I'm not mistaken, you can correct me if I'm wrong, because as I said, hindi ko naman napanood. He's saying that matutuloy yung June 11. But as to exactly what would happen sa June 11, parang hindi pa ganun ka-certain. Will there be official convening of the senators and impeachment court? Because before they can do anything, before they can ask the prosecution panel, before they can receive and acknowledge the prosecution panel, and before they can ask the prosecution panel to officially read for the record the articles of impeachment, and before they can issue the summons to the official impeached, the respondent, VP Sara Duterte, kailangan muna mag-officially convene ang Senado as an impeachment court. Will that happen on June 11? Because kung talagang gusto naman nilang ituloy, ay dapat ganun muna ang mangyari sa June 11. So any scenario would be possible on June 11. What if one member would already raise the issue of the propriety, for example, or the constitutionality of proceeding with the impeachment trial na hindi naman matatapos sa 19th Congress, especially so that June 11 is pagdating na yung sine die adjournment. Although I was taken the position na actually pwede rin na kahit official adjournment na ng Congress, pwede rin kung gugustuhin ng Kongreso, ng leadership ng Senado na tuloy-tuloy bago yung 20th Congress. So baka may mga ganong senaryo na pagbobotohan na kaagad before they officially convene or right after convening officially as an impeachment court, a member of the Senate would raise that any issue na pwede pang makastall dyan sa impeachment trial na ipuput pa on the table for voting or votation. So nandyan pa rin yung agam-agam ko, nandyan pa rin yung apprehension ko na kung tutuloy talaga yung impeachment trial.
Hindi sinabihin po ni SPS Cudero yung constitution sa pag-delay po and not proceeding with the impeachment trial forthwith. Tingin niyo po, nag-violate siya ng
Yes, that's always been my position. That is clearly violative of what the Constitution says. Forthwith is forthwith. Tsaka ilang beses na yan nadi-delay, ilang beses na yan na-postpone. Hindi pwede nagtuturuan yung House of Representatives and the Senate. Kasi I think meron din sinabi si Senate President about that. In the first place daw, late din yung pag-transmit. Correct me if I'm wrong. So nagtuturuan na sila ngayon. But what is clear is nandun sa Constitution. Para sa akin, yung impeachment trial at this stage, the convening of the impeachment court and also proceeding with the impeachment trial is not optional.
Pwede lang po dalhin to sa Korte Suprema at don't question it po sa Supreme Court.
Kasi as much as possible, naniniwala ako na kapag pagdating sa impeachment, hindi na dapat dinadala sa Supreme Court. Yung kailangan very sparing na lang. Yung hindi ko sinasabi totally, wala nang power in Supreme Court to intervene in any manner, whether it's the defense that would bring an issue to the Supreme Court, o kaya yung prosecution panel, o kaya yung Senado ang aakyat sa Supreme Court. I'm not saying na totally hindi na sila pwede. Pero depende sa issue na idadala sa Supreme Court. So, dito sa usapin na to, lalo na pag sasabihin na yan sa next Congress, sa 20th Congress, hindi na kami pwede kasi bago na kami. Kailangan back to square one. Siyempre, hindi yan gusto ng prosecution panel. So, baka nga dalhin sa Supreme Court. Kung itutuloy naman, baka naman yung defense ang pupunta sa Supreme Court. But the way I see it, I was expecting more from the statements, from the pronouncements, from the Senate President kanina sa press con. Akala ko yung para bang anuhin na niya, alisin na niya yung mga agam-agam tungkol dyan na magkakaroon pa ba ng trial o hindi. He could have been more categorical that so far as the Senate is concerned, tuloy-tuloy kami. Whatever is the issue to be raised, basta kami, in so far as the Senate is concerned, itutuloy namin to kasi ito ay mandato namin. Ito ay utos ng saligang batas. I was expecting that kind of a stance sa kanya earlier, but it was not. Ano pa rin? Medyo iffy pa rin. Right? Kasi hindi pa rin nakakasiguro.
Sabi ni Senator Riley, tanggapin na lang daw, talo na yung impeachment. What's your response?
Bakit natin tatanggapin yan? Ang gusto natin lumabas ang katotohanan. Gusto natin na managot yung dapat managot. Sigurado, may nililitis. May akusado. Diba? May nililitis at lilitisin. Pag may nililitis, ay obligasyon yan ng korte. Nalitisin. Hindi pwedeng matanggap yan eh. Kaya na pinupush natin ang impeachment trial kasi yun ang pinaka-avenue, pinaka-forum na malabas yung katotohanan. So, tingnan natin. Depende sa ebidensya. Hindi pwedeng sarado na kaagad sila. Hindi pa nga nakikita yung buong ebidensya o yung lakas ng ebidensya.
So, si Attorney Romy Mac, sinabi na may probability na may jurisdiction issue. Yun din po ba yung nakikita niya na reason for any of the camps to go to the Supreme Court? Yung jurisdiction issue?
Para sa akin, ultimately, yan nga ang magiging issue eh. Kasi I think among the senators, ganon. May ganyan ang take yung iba. Some of them have not really expressed anything, but some of them nakikita nyo naman kung ano yung mga inclinations nila so far by their respective statements. So, kasi nga, it's really a legal, novel, and open issue. A legal, open, legal, constitutional issue.
So, yun din po kay dahilan kaya dinedelay. Para magkaroon ng jurisdiction issue.
Ay, yung ano pa nga lang, yun na nga, yung pag-defer pa lang from June 2, ngayon, to June 11, kaagad ako noon, na-alarma kaagad ako. Why? Why do they have to again postpone it? Kung hindi nagkakaroon internally ng some conflict o pagtatalo on certain issues, and most probably, kasama yan sa issue mga pinag-uusapan nila. The jurisdictional issue, meaning, pwede pa ba ang next Congress, 20th Congress, 20th Senate